today we're going to be unboxing the Aer Tokai Sling, and Tokai means city in Japanese, so this is the Japanese design Carryology collaboration sling. I ended up getting a black one, which I'm very happy about getting. In the box there came a thank you letter, which is pretty cool. Thank you Aer for releasing this, and Carryology for the collaboration. And of course, they included a little flyer of their X-Pack line, I think. It's pretty cool. Inside, you can see some information about X-Pack for their fall and winter line from 2020 for Aer. Aer actually also just opened a retail store in San Francisco, so if you're in the area, go check them out. They're in the Mission District. Okay, so if you're not familiar with the City Sling, the City Sling is the small version of the slings that Aer makes. It's made for an urban environment. It's very sleek. It kind of has a baguette look to me. It looks like a sandwich rolled up, but it's very small. It's only fits about 2.7 liters of stuff, but for the way it's designed, it expands a little bit. It has like a perfectly rectangular body so that it can fit more items in it. Not like the day sling, which is very thin and more of like a taco, where if you have a thicker item, it bulges out and takes up more space. So without further ado, I'm gonna start opening up this City Sling or Tokai Sling. They did change it up from the original City Sling. So if you have the original City Sling, this is actually a little bit different. They changed some of the materials. The bag that it came in says Aer and Carryology right on the packaging, so I'm just gonna hold it up so you guys can take a look. Aer and Carryology. So Carryology is one of those great resources that you can use online for different kinds of bag and EDC items, and if you've never checked out their site, you should go check out carryology.com. Okay, wow. Just from the weight of holding this is very light. So if you notice right away, this is actually an X-Pack material where there's VX50 right on the front, and that's in black, and on the sides there's VX50 and MCB, which is kind of like the camo, and there's also a white version of this bag where it's white on top with alpine camo on the side, which looks very nice as well. On the inside, you'll see there's a contrast where this is actually white alpine on the inside. And that contrasts with the black on the outside to give it a more, yin and yang look, which is one of the themes that they were going for with this Tokai Sling. And one of the new features on the inside is a magnetic key holder. So this is magnetic. You're gonna be able to just plop this off. Wow, it's really strong. It says it's able to take on 70 kilograms of force, so it must be pretty strong. There's quite a bit of space in this. I think this would be a great pocket for something like sunglasses or something that you need right away, even your cell phone. Of course, there's already a dedicated cell phone pocket, but I could see someone putting their cell phone in here just for quick access. There's Hypalon on the sides right here, on the top right here, on this side right here. The main pocket has an AquaGuard zipper. Oh, the zipper pulls are also new. They have a orange accent with a different... No, the polar still looks the same as the normal Aer polars. And the zipper pulls, I think they said they were different. I think they are all made out of aluminum, which is one of the differences. I think some of them are usually made out of plastic. I'll get my day sling in a moment to check, but it feels like everything here is aluminum. The buckles on the side are also aluminum. They feel very nice. They also have a very large fidlock buckle where you will be unbuckling and buckling this bag. Let's see. Cool. And on the buckle, you'll see the Aer and Carryology logo. Very cool. It's actually a piece of stainless steel that they painted black. So it should have very good stain resistance. Okay. Of course. On the inside, it's a bright orange so that you can see very well into the bag. They've very much focused on high visibility with this bag. Ooh. And of course the cell phone pocket in the back. I'm actually surprised how big this feels. Yeah, it's just one big rectangle. I love it. Wait, here are the tags if you guys wanted to look at. Here are the tags so you guys can take a look at that. Cool, cool. Let me read this. Aer and Carryology team up to create the all-new Tokai Sling, a versatile crossbody bag designed for the city. Inspired by Japanese streetwear, the Tokai Sling features an ultra-durable X-Pack sailcloth exterior, a self-securing fidlock V-buckle, and a high-visibility ripstop nylon interior. Explore the city in style in the all-new Tokai Sling. Yep, so one of the great things about VX or X-Pack is that it's quite waterproof. It's quite crinkly as well, so it'll make some noise while you're wearing it. But also, it's not as stretchy as Cordura, or malleable, I should say, as Cordura. So it will hold its shape better when you put stuff in here too, and it won't sag around and flop down so easily. That might be a good or bad thing for you, but honestly, I just like it because it's waterproof. Means that I don't have to worry as much about putting things in here. I really like how they put this rain guard on the end of the zipper. It's very big and easily accessible. Sometimes on my day sling, it's very hard to use all of the pockets because of the curvature of the day sling, but wow, these zippers are pulling way easier than that. All right, so let me get the day sling so we can compare these two. Ooh. All right. Here's the day sling. So I got it in the regular black. It has Cordura, and this is the zipper that has the most problem zipping back up in the front because of the curvature. But because of how they designed the City Sling, this zipper is super easy to pull, and it's still an AquaGuard zipper. Now, looking at these two, you can tell this one's way bigger. But because of how this is, the depth of this feels like you could fit about the same amount of stuff in here. But I know this is much smaller. This is 2.7 liters, while this is closer to 5. So, I mean, I'm probably gonna have to sacrifice a little bit of stuff putting in here, but I wouldn't be surprised. Let's try it right now, actually. A camera, my hand cream, my sunglasses I'll put in the front pocket. Let's put a Gerber knife. I have a handkerchief right here. A notepad. Let's put 3 extra batteries in this bag. It's getting pretty full just with all of that in there. But I think I can still fit a few more things. So, memory card holder, my headphones, and I'm gonna try to fit this Bose speaker in here, and if it fits in here and closes back up, I'll be quite surprised. And of course, lastly, let's put my iPhone in here, in the iPhone pocket. Wow, this iPhone pocket is amazing, or this phone pocket is amazing. And all the zippers close. Wow. All of the zippers closed on this with all that stuff in there. So it is a pretty decent sized bag, and I love the design of it. Overall, the MCB with the black VX looks really good. I think the VX look is very 2020. All VX packs in 2020 have, or VX has really taken off since 2019, but in 2020 it's really exploded. let's see the comfort on this. Let me put it on once. Oh yeah. You can see how easy it is to take off? Nope. This is the thing about Fidlock. If it's heavy, it's not always the greatest. So the bag is kind of heavy right now, so the Fidlock buckle does not want to be very agreeable. You see that? I'm trying my hardest to pull it, but it doesn't want to budge unless I put my hand right here. Help it along. Yep. Okay, so if the bag is a little bit heavy, I don't know how heavy, actually. Maybe I'm gonna have to do some testing to see how heavy it is where it will be able to easily come off, because like this, no problem, when there's no pressure from it hanging over your back. But as soon as there's some weight pulling it down, oh wow, it's easy here. Yeah, it kind of gets jammed. But overall, I think it works better than that buckle that they had. It's just more sleek of a design and it looks really nice. Alright guys, if you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe. I'll be unboxing more things like this. And if you do want to support the channel, feel free to use any of the links down below. I do make a small percentage of whatever you do purchase. If you do purchase something from the links down below, some of them are Amazon and some of them are some other links. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Bye.